wake up, the sun is bright. Stretch your arms with all your might. Wash your face and brush your teeth. Shoes go on your little feet. Pack your bag with books and snacks. Put it right upon your back. School time, hip hooray! Learning new things every day. School time, 1, 2, 3. Come along and learn with me. Sit right down and read a book. Take a very careful look. Draw a picture, red and blue. Play with friends, they like you too.